Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Welcome back to the Zoom Review Show. I'm Omar Qureshi. To Baat Pakki has Tabu and Sharman Joshi in the lead. These fine actors will attempt to make you laugh in their wedding comedy. In a small town somewhere in the north of India, Tabu lives with her husband and 2 kids. They are not that rich, but she aspires a wealthy husband for her little sister. Throughout To Baat Pakki, you will see her on a quest for a rich groom. Every young, handsome, educated boy she spots, she digs out his financial background, and she finds the right contender in Sharman Joshi. She hatches a scheme to unite him with her sister, and she succeeds. The two are all set to tie the knot when another young, handsome, educated, and richer Vatsal Seth lands up at her doorstep. Tabu has a change of mind, and Sharman is dropped like a hot potato. Then watch his tussle with Tabu to get back his bride. Dulan ko kaun dilwala le jayega? That's how To Baat Pakki ends. It's refreshing to see Tabu back in action after 3 years. She proves what a fine actress she is by single-handedly holding the film together. In an industry where heroes are a selling point, very few actresses achieve this. She is entertaining as the boisterous, dominating woman who takes on the men, and watching her plotting and planning throughout the film is a treat. Tabu is splendid to watch. Sharman Joshi is a good actor. He has proved it recently with 3 Idiots with Amir, and now we see him up against Tabu in To Baat Pakki. He is warm and cordial, just like he should be in front of his future in-laws. But even in circumstances where most actors would go over the top, he is wonderfully understated. He is a good choice for this role. Vatsal Seth, whose career in Bollywood didn't quite take off since his first film, Tarzan the Wonder Car, plays a supporting role in To Baat Pakki. The script doesn't give him much meat to perform, but he does a decent job with what he has. Uvika Chaudhary as Tabu's younger sister is the movie's eye candy. She looks lovely, but I can't say the same about her acting. She has the wrong emotions at the wrong moments. It is her life that's on gamble, but she doesn't seem to care. Marathi filmmaker Kedar Shinde makes his Bollywood debut with To Baat Pakki. The director has a great story in hand, and he brings out the best in his actors. But with Hindi movies looking so stylized these days, To Baat Pakki's treatment makes it look like a decade-old film. And the director doesn't seem to have an eye for detail. The entire plot is set in a small town, but some sequences with high rises clearly give away Mumbai. Even the songs are shoved in without any purpose. Till the first half, the director has all your attention. In the second half, he wanders away from intelligent comedy to slapstick, falling into the cliché trap we've seen once too often. Tabu and Sharman make To Baat Pakki work. Their acting and dialogue delivery is flawless in a movie with several flaws. If the director had a tighter rein on the script and the low-budget film looked more aesthetic, this winning story would have won favor with me. I rate To Baat Pakki 2.5 stars. It's entertaining but could have been a lot better.